Hi, I'm Steven Herrera, and today I'm going to talk about this classic recipe, pancake and waffle mix from Birch Benders. In this video, I'm going to talk about the packaging, the preparation, and the overall taste of this classic recipe pancake mix. So let's get started. On the front of the package, you will notice that there's some very creative scenery. There's these really cool bears, and they're pouring maple syrup onto the pancakes, which is super awesome. This is a simple, scrumptious, timeless, classic recipe, and all it requires is water. This is a 16-ounce bag, which I bought at the grocery store, and it's a nice size because it doesn't take up much space on your shelf. On the back of the package, there's a paragraph that explains the classic recipe concept. Our classic pancakes will redefine your idea of perfection. We conducted double-blind taste tests on every organic flour in America and hand-picked the remaining ingredients to ensure only the highest quality. The result? The fluffiest, tastiest pancakes imaginable. On the back of the package, you will notice that there are two levels of making the mix. There's a 5 to 6 pancakes and a 10 to 12 pancakes. I'm going to make the 10 to 12 pancakes. To make the pancake batter, you are going to combine 1 1/2 cup mix and 1 1/3 cup water. Mix until just combined. To cook each pancake, pour 1/4 cup of the batter into a pan. Flip the pancake over when bubbles form. Once the pancake is golden brown, serve it. And here's the finished product with butter and syrup. They look delicious. And finally, let's talk about the taste of these classic recipe pancakes. They taste much different than other pancake mixes. On the back of the package, I noticed that the ingredients consist of organic wheat flour, organic potato starch, and organic cassava starch. I'm not sure what that is, but I think these three ingredients contributed the most to the taste of these pancakes. They're very light, they're very fluffy, and they have a gooey consistency. They don't taste like buttermilk pancakes at all. They remind me of sourdough pancakes. So these pancakes may be quite different than the type of pancakes that you may be accustomed to. Still, I recommend you try these classic recipe pancakes from Birch Benders. They're easy to prepare, and you can have a pancake breakfast in a short amount of time. So check out classic recipe pancakes from Birch Benders. You can buy them at your local grocery store.